Hey guys, welcome back to Mr. Yoo-Hoo. Today I'm diving into a product that can revolutionise the way you hear and interact with the world. The Retekess Hearing Sense 1 TWS self-fitting hearing aids, which you can see here. Now guys, these aren't just any hearing aids, they're FDA cleared over-the-counter devices designed for mild to moderate hearing loss. With a sleek design, advanced features and an affordable price point, they promise to deliver a high-tech solution that's accessible to more people than ever before. If you ever felt overwhelmed by the high cost of traditional hearing aids, or wish for something more and discreet, these might be just what you're looking for. Now let's set the stage. Traditional hearing aids have been known to cost thousands of dollars, and while they serve their purpose, they often lack versatility and modern functionality. Retekess has completely turned this around with the Hearing Sense 1. These hearing aids are affordable, easy to use, and packed with advanced technology. And today, we'll cover everything, from unboxing and setup to how they perform in real-world situations, right here in sunny, unpredictable Queensland. I'll also share my personal experiences testing these hearing aids across different environments. So let's get started. So when you first open a box, you're greeted with a clean, modern package. Inside you'll find the hearing aids snugly stored in their charging case, with a USB-C charging cable, extra ear tips in 3 sizes, and a cleaning tool to keep everything in top condition. The charging case is compact with a smooth matte finish and an LED indicator that clearly shows battery level for each earbud. The hearing aids themselves are lightweight and designed to look like standard wireless earbuds, which is a huge plus if you prefer something discreet. As you can see, they literally do look just like wireless earbuds. It's quite good. The pre-materials are thoughtfully designed and make a great first impression. Now guys, let's get into the technology behind these hearing aids, and there's a lot to unpack. The Hearing Sense 1 features digital sound processing with a 16-channel sound processor. What this basically means is that the hearing aids can amplify the sounds that you want to hear, while minimising unwanted background noise. Whether it's a chatter in a crowded cafe or the sound of the ocean waves along the Queensland's coastline, these hearing aids adapt seamlessly to their environment. You see, I've got them in here at the moment, and again, I can hear the environment around me a lot clearer, and that sounds really clear. Now, they cap at a maximum output of 115 decibels with an average gain of 28 decibels. It makes them ideal for people with mild to moderate hearing loss. And thanks to their low noise floor of just 29 decibels, the sound remains clear without any distortion. And as you can see, there they are just there. Now, don't they look just like earbuds as well? So you can't really tell these are hearing aids, which is great. Now, what sets these apart is Retekess app, available on both Android and iOS. The app offers a personalized hearing experience that's incredibly user-friendly. To download the app, you can take an in-ear hearing test that automatically adjusts the settings to match your unique hearing profile. It's accurate, quick, and simple enough for anyone to use. And guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you in a moment exactly how that app works. We're going to talk you through it so you can see how you can customize the hearing depending on what you want. Okay guys, now I want to show you how the actual hearing aids work with the app. So here's the app just here. As you can see, you turn it on, select in-ear headphones and press next. And what it does, it searches for the actual earbuds and connects them. So as you can see, it's searching just there for them. So there you go, it's just found it. So left and right earbuds are paired with the phone. And this is where you can control it. So you've got the battery life on here, but these are the different modes that you can use. So you've got the restaurant mode, normal mode, outdoor mode. Now, as I put these on, I could hear the difference in the environment, how it sounded. You can also control the earbuds here as well. So you got your left and your right. You can see that you can switch different programs. We're checking the devices too, because it actually self-checks to make sure it actually works properly, which it cleared, which is great. So then we go back to the controls. Now you can also go here and actually do audiogram. So audiogram basically what it does is it runs a test on your hearing to see how effective it is. So it goes through a number of different hearing tests. So basically what you do is you hear the decibels, you press a button, and then it works out whether it's heard you or not. So there you go. So it's just finished the test and it's come back and said, so here it is just now. So normal hearing, so 15% on that one, 30% on no. So basically I've got no trouble hearing. I can hear things quite easily, and I can hear low sounds and conversations as well. So that's good news. So guys, you can test out your hearing and then adjust the hearing aids depending on how your hearing actually works. So I think that's a great feature. Now look at the different modes again. So you've got the normal mode, which is like for normal conversation at home. Transparency mode allows you to be able to talk to people around you if you've got music on, etc. Again, very easy to control the earbuds through the hearing aids. The app is very important for the Retekess hearing aids as well. So there you go, you can control all of them just there. So yeah, a great little app to use. The app also lets you switch between 4 preset modes, as you could see. The normal mode is perfect for everyday use, while the restaurant mode reduces high-pitched noises like clinking plates and glasses. Outdoor mode is a game changer for windy walks or walk through Queensland's beautiful but breezy and raining landscape. And then there's music mode, which I really like. As you guys know, I love listening to music. The listening mode helps give you a better sound experience for your music when you're using it. So now I want to show you the experience function for Retekess hearing aids. Now the great thing with experience function allows you to adjust your settings when you've been using the hearing aids for a while. Start with you go to control, and then you go to personalization. And as you can see there, it gives you different earbuds. So here you can increase the volume of each earbud there by turning that up and down. Quite straightforward. You can also adjust the equalizer settings here. So if you want higher bass, treble, you can customize it accordingly by changing it then. And this gives great customizability to it as well, because most earbuds are different for different hearing types. So this does it for you. And you've also got noise cancellation there as well. So increases to strong, blocks out the surrounding noise around you so you can really listen to the music. So great levels of customization. We tried the noise cancellation as well, and it does work very well. So excellent feature to use if you're an experienced user. The other thing I love about the Retekess hearing aids is the Retekess hearing aids are FDA certified. So as you can see on this screenshot here, they're actually certified with the FDA, which means that their products can enhance hearing without having to worry about worsening hearing damage. And you can see the different levels they've got there as well, which is a great part of these as well. And that's very important to have when choosing the right hearing aids. The Bluetooth functionality is another standout feature. Connecting to your iPhone or phone or tablet is seamless with Bluetooth 5.0, allowing you to stream music, take phone calls, or even use voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. It's also got dual microphones in it as well, so it ensures that the calls are clear, even in noisy environments. So I tested this while through a busy market, and the person on the other end could hear me perfectly, even with all the background noise. Now how about setting them up and putting them on? Well, it's quite easy. You take them out of the case. So there's the Retekess case just there. So there it is just there. So you take them out, you pop them in your ears, and you just connect them to your phone straight away. As you can see, very, very easy setup. Now you can control them through the here, so you can hold that down to change the different listening modes. Hold down the plus key, which you can see just there. And you can also press that to turn the volume up and turn the volume down. I also like the earplugs there as well. You see the earplugs, how they fit so snugly into the ears, and you can change them if you really want as well. So very, very easy to set up. Now let's talk about battery life. So this is one thing that the Hearing Sense 1 really shines. Each charge provides 12 hours continuous use without Bluetooth. And the compact charging case offers 3 additional charges for a total of 48 hours. Even after a full day out and about, guys, I still had plenty of battery life when I was testing these. The case, as you can see, is small enough, there's compared to my hand, to fit into your pocket or bag, making it ideal for travel or daily use. You can tell how good the hearing aids are actually using them outside. So I walked out there and I jumped because a bird went overhead and it screeched and it made me jump. So I was amplified by the noise. So I can hear a boat down that way. You can't even see the boat in the waterway. And you can hear people talking down the road. So it really does amplify the hearing. It's great. One thing I love as well is the automatic memory function. The hearing aids remember your last volume and mode settings, so you don't have to readjust them every time you turn them on. They also feature an in-ear infrared sensor that automatically powers your hearing aids on when you wear them and off when you take them out. So I'll do that now. So I take them off, they stop working, I'll pop them in there, and what you can hear is a beep beep. So beep 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 beep, that means they've been connected. This not only conserves battery life, but also adds to their overall use. Again, comfort is another factor where these hearing aids excel. With 3 sizes of soft silicone tips, the perfect fit is effortless. So I walked them during a light jog and they stayed in perfectly. And speaking of sweat, they're rated IP64 for sweat and water resistance. It means you can wear them confidently in Queensland's ever-changing weather, whether it's a sudden downpour or a hot, humid day. The hearing aids are also built to last, with durable materials, as you can see there, and a sturdy design. Retekess backs their product with a 24-month warranty and lifetime technical support, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. And thanks to the app's self-test feature, you can ensure these hearing aids are always performing at their best. Now, as you guys know, I love to use my products out and about. So I actually did a real-world test with these during a family barbecue. I walked through the city and also while watching TV at home. The sound clarity is exceptional across all scenarios. Voices are sharp and easy to understand, and background noise was effectively minimized. I particularly appreciated the equalizer function in these, which allowed me to enhance mid-range frequencies for clearer TV dialogue, which is great. And another thing with these is they've also got a power off and power on button at the back there, which I think is quite cool. They don't always necessarily have that. So, you know, guys, in conclusion, the Retekess Hearing Sense 1 TWS self-fitting hearing aids are a game changer. They combine modern tech features with Bluetooth streaming technology and app customization with advanced hearing aid functionality, all an accessible price. And just then, I put it on and I could hear the voice coming up. So when you're using hearing aids, when you first pick them in, you could hear the sound level increase, so you can actually hear more environment. So as I said, that's really clear. Without the hearing aids, you can't hear it as much. So it does amplify the noises around you. And I found because of the different modes they use, it really helps. So going to a restaurant, it could focus on people's voices rather than the banging and clanging going around me. And when I was like out, I use it at the gym, for example, I could hear the voices. So it works very, very well. It works very well in that regard. I wouldn't say they're the strongest necessarily for music. The music's okay in them, like listening to songs and stuff like that and audio podcasts, but they're more of a hearing aid versus a music player as well. So, because I review lots of music players, they're probably not up there. But yeah, they're very, very good. So whether you're enhancing conversations, enjoying music, or catching up on your favorite shows, these hearing aids do deliver on every front. They're lightweight, discreet, and versatile enough for any situation. Again, being like that with having an earbud design is really good. I really like how they've done that. It makes them look like they're not hearing aids. So if you're interested in Retekess Hearing Sense 1, check out the link in the description below. Don't forget, we're also running a giveaway with over $4,000 of prizes. Make sure for your chance to enter. If you've got any questions, suggestions, guys, make sure you let me know in future reviews, and please click the notification button so you stay updated with all the latest videos. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video of the Retekess over-the-counter hearing aids. Great hearing aids at a very, very good price.